Kevin, put your head up. Put your head up.
Yeah.
Kasi mo nang perform your MP4 a little. So, you can ask oh, bless you. Look at your eyes. What you looking at? Oh,
Don't tell.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.